Hi, I'm Cameron from All 4x4 Spares. Today we have a Mazda BT50 in for a Lovells GVM upgrade. As it comes from Mazda, this vehicle has a GVM of 3,200 kilos and a GCM of 6,000 kilos. Once this GVM upgrade process is complete, the vehicle is going to have a GVM of 3,500 kilos. That's an increase of 300 kilos over the factory rating. Now with the GCM, that's going to be an increase of 1,000 kilos. So we're going to be going from 6,000 kilos to 7,000 kilos. This applies to both BT50 and PX Ranger models. The Lovells GVM upgrade kit consists of their heavy duty coils and leaf springs, along with the Gas Legend shock absorbers, high tensile U-bolts, along with greasable bushes, pins and shackles. With these fitted, we can upgrade your GVM to 3,500 kilos. Okay, so we've spoken about the GVM upgrade, let's talk about the GCM upgrade. With the PX Ranger and BT50, we have two options for your new GCM rating. From Ford and Mazda, your GCM will be 6,000 kilos. With the GVM upgrade kit installed, the GCM will be 6,600 kilos. With the GVM upgrade kit installed, along with the optional PWR heavy duty radiator and intercooler, the GCM will now be 7,100 kilos. Once the GVM and GCM upgrade is installed, we will do a wheel alignment, throw it on our weigh bridge and take it for a road test to give our engineer everything he needs to sign the vehicle off. This means you can load your vehicle up and be covered by insurance anywhere in Australia with peace of mind knowing your Ranger or BT50 is safe, handling its best and staying cool. Okay, so here it is, the finished product. The GVM and GCM upgrade is complete. We've now got the PWR radiator and intercooler installed, along with the Lovells heavy duty suspension kit. This vehicle now has a GVM of 3,500 kilos and a GCM of 7,100 kilos. Now keep in mind, we can do this on any new BT50, PX1, PX2 or PX3 Ranger. And if you've got any questions about the GVM upgrade process on your vehicle, feel free to give our team a call at All 4x4 Spares and we'll walk you through the process. Thanks for watching.